Hi guys, welcome back to the Rusty Blaze YouTube barber. We're going to be looking at the Limural, the K34S clipper, which they kindly sent me the other day. So we're going to do an unboxing on this. If you haven't already seen the other unboxing on the Circa, I'll leave a card up at the top so you can go check that out as well. So these are some budget clippers that maybe if you're just starting out that you might want to take a look at. So let's get straight into it and we'll have a look inside, see what we've got. Right guys, so here we have the Limural K34S. So let's have a look at the side of the box, see what we get. It's USB charging. So it says that you get the 1 guard up to the weight 8 guard, so no 0 guard. It's a 3-hour charging for 300 minutes battery life. What else do we get? Anti-rust carbon steel sharp blade. It has a 2-speed adjustment. Let's open it up. We've got our warranty and other jargon what we're probably not going to look at. A cape. Comb. A dusting brush, right, that's alright. Obviously get your USB charging, some oil, see what the guards are like. I've got to say that the guards, they're a lot better than what they were on the Circa. They were real flimsy. So let's have a look at the clipper. And you get a brush as well for cleaning it. So you get quite a lot for your money in the box. And let's have a look at the clipper. So straight off the bat, just looking at it, you would have to say that it resembles a barberless. So it's feels quite nice actually. Don't feel too bad. It's got a click lever. It doesn't have the notches, but you can hear the clicks. Jazzy blade, and it has 2 speed settings, it says, and the indicator. And there you go, there's the turbo. Oh, you can feel the power. There you go. So you can definitely hear the difference in power. So that's the Limural clipper. I'd say for the money, it's not a bad clipper, to be fair. I think I would have preferred that all to have been metal. It's not bad at all, that. So yeah, so that's the Limural clipper. And again, you know, these budget clippers, you obviously get a lot for your money. You know, there's not many that you get a duster in there. The comb and all your other stuff, your guards, and again, you know, chucking in a gown. Probably not the greatest gown, but nevertheless it's a gown. So yeah, I mean, like I say, for the money, I don't think you can go wrong, to be fair, if you're just starting out. So I'll leave a link in the description down below to where you can get it from. And again, thanks to Limural for sending me this. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you have, remember to smash that like, to subscribe, and the notification bell, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Ta-da!